If you go to facebook.com, this is what you're going to see when
Right.
you're not logged in, right?
Right.
So whichever account you have here, go ahead and click that and log in there. If you go, so we've got to change the name on that new account so you know which one's your new one. And
That's right. I'll do that. Yeah.
So if you're logged into your old account, you're going to go to this little drop down arrow over here. That's
Yes.
at the top.
Yes.
And then you're going to go to settings.
Okay.
And then right here at the very top on the very first page is name.
Okay.
If we click edit there, we can edit the name of the account temporarily.
Okay. Right? So we know which one's which.
So we know which one's which. Okay. Then we log out of this account. We know that the other account is the one we want to delete. So we log back into that one. We go to settings again.
Right.
All right. And then I believe where you go to delete the account, click right here on your Facebook information.
Okay. And there it is. Okay.
You click view and you say permanently delete.
Okay. Then now, does that send out notifications to my friends?
No.
Okay.
Nope. It'll just delete the account.
Okay.
So then you would be logged out and you would log back into your now only account.
Right.
Okay. So now basics on how to use Facebook.
Okay.
This right here is what we call our dashboard.
Okay.
In our dashboard, we can see other people's stories.
Okay.
Or our own. We can post our own. We can.
Okay. What's a story?
The difference between a story and a general update is your story is an update that is only here for 24 hours.
Really?
If you post something that's on your mind, it's on your wall forever.
Okay.
The difference between the post up here and this post here.
Okay.
Yep. The stories get more attention because they're up at the top.
Gotcha.
So if you have something coming up in the next day that you want people to be aware of, you might do a story about it and get people to see it because it's up at the top.
Okay, so the business page is basically the same structure here. It would work the same way?
Yeah, so to access your business page, you click on your business page here.
Right.
And when you're on your business page, now this is your page. This isn't a dashboard, but from your business page, you can write a post.
Right.
Like a general post.
And a post will stay up.
A post is going to stay up, right?
Okay.
You can make it a watch party, which gets more attention.
Yeah.
And
a watch party, the definition of a watch party is?
So a watch party is like if you've done a video, like a Facebook Live video, and you're wanting to do like an instant replay on it.
Okay.
The watch party it sends out a notification to everybody basically saying that your video is premiering. So like, this is hot off the presses. You want to come watch this.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's a good thing. From your business page, you cannot do a story from your business page.
Okay.
Okay. But in here, you can boost a post. You can attract new people. You can follow other groups.
Right.
And you want to make sure you update this section and you have an image in there and you talk about what it is that you do, because this is a search factor.
It's like sort of like an SEO-ish.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
I don't know why it's not showing me my posts. See more.
Yeah.
It's being silly.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah. Over here, it's going to show you all of your statistics when you're logged in as your business page.
Okay.
And then it's going to give you the opportunity to invite new friends to your business page.
Okay.
Okay. And if you keep going, it gives you your about section and your page transparency.
So do I join, like if you go up to the top of your, okay, suggested groups. Now how do you access your groups once you've joined?
Yeah.
Oh, over here on the left?
Yep. So if you're on your business page, this little menu bar here helps you navigate from different pages within your business page.
Okay.
It also allows you to access your groups.
Right. Okay.
So it's groups that you've joined or groups that you manage.
Right.
As the business page.
Okay.
Okay. You can promote and do ads here. You visit the ad center from here. You can do fundraisers. You can even post jobs. all sorts
Right.
of things from the business page.
Okay.
Okay. But from your personal page, so this is what trips people up is when I sign into Facebook, I'm on my business page. No. When you sign into Facebook, you're on your personal dashboard, not your
Okay.
business page.
Okay.
To get to your business page, you have to choose it.
Always have to go over there. Okay.
Right, exactly. Otherwise, you're just on the dashboard, you're seeing everybody else's stuff, people that you follow, ads and whatnot.
Right.
Over here, you can also put your business page and make it a shortcut.
Okay.
If you're on the side.
Okay.
Okay, so I make shortcuts for the groups that I am managing. I make shortcuts for the pages that I'm managing.
Right.
And then I also have shortcuts for the pages that I visit or the groups that I visit most frequently.
Right. Gotcha.
Okay.
What are those little numbers? Are those posts on those pages?
Yes,
that
they
you
are.
have not seen?
Yep,
Okay.
they sure are. Some of my groups are really prolific. I was just on this one this morning, I swear.
Yeah. Right. Right.
And then they also have other information that might help you. So other things that you can explore here.
Okay.
Now to get to your personal page so that you can make edits to your personal page, you just click on your name. Now I'm on my personal page. See how it looks like the business page, only it's not my business?
Yeah.
And so in here, you can see everything that you've posted on your wall. You can see all of your contacts. You can see all your photos. You can see any fundraisers you're working on, which I don't think this one's going to get to the goal because of everything going on, unfortunately.
Yeah. What's the definition of your wall?
So
is that just everything you posted?
It's everything you've posted.
Okay.
Everything you've posted in the what's on your mind section.
Okay. So not story. It doesn't archive your story.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Because remember, the stories are only 24 hours.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So anytime you post something here,
right,
it's going to actually get stored over here.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you delete those things later if you wish?
Sure can. Those little buttons up there allows you to delete it.
Okay.
Yep. You can edit it. You can change the date on it.
Right.
If you want to move it down the timeline, or you can hide it from your timeline altogether.
Okay.
Okay.
If you hide it from the timeline, does that mean that you still have access to it, but others just can't see it?
Right.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. And then over on the far right side, these are people who are your friends. The green dot means that they're online right now.
That's right. This is basically Facebook's like, hey, we want to distract you while you're trying to do something. Here's all the people you can talk to right now.
Right. Gotcha.
All you have to do is click on them and you can send them a message.
Right. And then you can stick around more and waste more time.
That's right. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oops. I meant to click home. But that's kind of the crash course on Facebook.
Yeah, that's fantastic. That is fantastic.
Something to keep in mind when you're on Facebook, if you go to your dashboard and you're wanting to engage with other people's posts, you see them more often.
Right.
You want to keep in mind that any business page you're not engaging with, if you continue to not engage with it, you're not going to see it. You're going to have to go out of your way to search for it and actively try and seek it out to engage with it in order to see their content.
Okay. So engage means like I push the like button or I make a comment.
Yeah, like it.
One or the other.
Share it if you can share it.
How do you share?
So that one doesn't have the share option. This one does.
Oh, okay.
So what happens is if they post and they have this little globe here.
Right.
That means that anybody who sees it can share it.
Okay.
If they post and it's like this, that means it's only members of the group can share it.
Okay.
And if they post.
So you would share it, but you would share it to who? Other members of the group?
So there is no share option.
There's no share. So it's just shared just to this private group. Okay, gotcha.
Right. If
it's already
looks
shared.
Like this, only her friends can see it.
Okay.
So again, you see there is no share option.
Okay.
There's only a share option if they have their public setting turned on.
All right.
Share the post.
All right. So question.
Mm-hmm.
Can you go back up to where you would do a post?
Yeah.
And where you select to post it is.
So if I post this, my share settings are set to friends only right now. But
Okay.
this little drop down arrow after I posted it,
Yes.
I can change that.
You can change it there.
Yep.
Where do you set the default for that?
That is going to be here in your settings.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yep. And that's going to be under your privacy.
Okay.
Who can see your post?
Right.
So I have mine set to friends only all the time.
Right. And then you can open it up further as you wish. All right. That makes sense. That makes sense for a default. Yeah.
Yeah. Because you don't want everybody to be able to see your posts all the time.
Right. Gotcha. Okay. Wow. Very cool.
Cool. This search feature is great. So if you have somebody you want to search for, if you have a group you want to search for, or a page you want to search for.
Right.
I don't know why, but I never see her posts. So I have to go out of my way to go to her page to see her posts.
Right.
So that I can like it and engage with it.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So there are pages that you are going to want to be able to engage with.
Uh-huh.
That you'll have to use that search feature in order to find them, to engage with them.
Right.
Because Facebook's algorithm, the way that it works is you can't see everybody that you follow because they want to have room for ads.
Yes. Gotcha. Yeah.
And there's a lot more ads going on now.
There are a lot more ads going on now
than ever before.
Yeah.
So we have to go out of our way to tell Facebook all the time, I want this person. I want this person. I want this business. I want this business.
Okay.
And then it'll start curating content for you based off of what you're engaging with.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Question.
Yeah.
I got an email, from Facebook. So-and-so wants me to like their page.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, the reason they want that is so that they get more exposure, right? The algorithm is the more people that like or engage with it, the higher up it's going to be posted in other people's feeds or whatever they're called. Right? So if I wanted to ask someone to share that, how would I do that? Or to like a page, excuse me.
Yeah. So if we go to our page.
Yep.
And we come down here to invite friends.
Okay.
We just click on that. And then you select the people you want to invite to like your page.
Okay.
By clicking the button.
So this would be basically liking my business page as opposed to liking a post.
Correct.
Can you invite people to like a post?
Not really, no.
Not really. Okay. Mm-hmm. All you can do is put that in the message. Send this to everybody you can think of or something.
I mean, you can send it as a message to people.
Uh-huh.
If you want them to like a specific post, but you have to select the people individually if you want to share something specific about it.
Okay.
That's a little tedious. I mean, you could do it that way.
Yeah.
I can't imagine it's going to get a lot of attraction though, if you do that.
Okay.
So I find it better to go onto your page and find the posts that you want people to see.
Yeah.
And see this little thing over here?
I do.
Your default is, if it's your business page that you're on, your default's going to be your business page engaging with the post.
Okay.
If you click that arrow, you can select you, engage with the post yourself, and share it on your personal page.
Okay. Gotcha. That's good. That's good to know. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It helps the algorithm to see that something's happening on your business page.
Yeah.
And because you have more friends on your personal page than you will ever have on your business page.
Right.
Right. You want your friends to be able to see it.
Right.
And you might see people engage with it on your personal page more than they do on the business page.
Yeah, I would anticipate that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
We do it that way, although my marketing coach tells me to post on the personal page and share it to the business page. So she says to go the other way.
Uh-huh.
I'm a personal believer of, if I want my business page to get attention, then sharing stuff to the page doesn't make sense. Sharing from the page makes more sense.
Right. Okay. All right. Well, so you got two arguments there.
I would say trial and error. I mean, that's all
Yeah.
marketing is, right? Test
That's
the
right.
waters, see which
Exactly.
one works better for you.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's stop here.